All the boys are buzzing since I introduced my cousin Luella. Count them by the dozen as they swarm around my cousin Luella. The way they sigh when she walks by, as if she was a movie queen. Oh, they never saw such charm before, not even on a movie screen. Oh, like the bees, they're buzzing for some honey from my cousin Luella. Everyone's supposing they'll be chosen as the fortunate fellow, but will they shout when they find out my cousin will be leaving soon? Luella only came to town to buy herself a pretty gown.